Installation and operation of dual-target magnetron coating instrument. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect the other end to the device and tighten the clamp. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the air pipes in sequence. Tighten the screws. Note: tighten with a wrench. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Water cooler power supply. Air compressor power supply. After the device power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the water cooler power. Turn on the vacuum pump. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. Vibrator power supply. DC power supply. RF power. Molecular pump power supply. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Then put in an appropriate amount of sample. Next, start installing the target material. Unscrew the target cover. Remove the cover. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the surrounding screws. Remove the target. Put the required target material into the clamp. Then align the screw holes. Tighten the screws in sequence. Then install the target cover. Just tighten it. Note that there is a gap of about a half between the outer cover and the target. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to vacuum. Wait until the vacuum reaches below 20 Pa. You can turn on the molecular pump. Now set the target. Click to enter settings. Click Settings. Take copper as an example. Click Select. Click Copper. Click Apply. Click to return. Return. The vacuum has now reached below 20 Pa. Click to open the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will first drop, then rise from 0 to 400. Now the vacuum condition is reached. Turn on cleaning mode. Click OK. Click Set Traffic. For example, 200. The actual flow has now reached 200. Cleaning time about 5分钟 use. After cleaning, set the flow rate to 0. Click to return. Click to get vacuum. Observe that the vacuum reaches the coating conditions. Setting the vibrator frequency before coating. After setting the start and end frequencies, click to scan the screen. The frequency will jump between the start and end points. Then turn the knob to adjust the amplitude. Adjust to around 1.5. The value should not exceed R. The vibration of the sample can be observed through the observation window. Now operate RF mode. Open the flap, then the protective gas. Click Set Traffic. For example, 150. Keep the vacuum at about 4%. Set RF parameters. For example, 50 watts. Click to open RF. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. When the film thickness reaches the required, click RF. Click to turn off RF. Return. Click to close the flap. Now operating in DC mode. Click to enter the flow setting. For example, enter 200. Make the vacuum value slightly higher. Open the flap. Click to set power parameters. For example, the power mode is set to 50 watts. Click OK. Click to turn on the DC power supply. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. When the film thickness reaches the required, power off. Close the flap. After coating is completed, turn off the molecular pump. Set the amplitude to 0. Click to turn off the vibrator power. To turn off the flow meter, enter 0. Then click Return. Then click on the sample. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Rotate the sample stage counterclockwise. Remove the sample stage. The experiment is completed.